with asterisk equal operator, then we can multiply variables with assigned variables. So let's say we have a variable a which is assigned with number 5, and we want to multiply a by 5. Then a is assigned with 5, then 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. It returns 25. And we have a variable v which is assigned number 12, and we want to multiply b by 3, and it equals 3 multiplied by 12. But that did which means variable b equal 3 multiplied by 12, then it equals 36. But we can use asterisk equal operator, then it will be more cleaner. A asterisk equal operator 5, then it returns 25. And B this is also